Hello, my name is Elizabeth Tefangshin. I'm a classical pianist, a piano teacher for many years, and I'd like to share with you thoughts on imagery and music making. Now, being a strict piano teacher, I know it's very important to learn the right notes at the right time, the right fingerings. And I am a very big stickler on technique, because technique is the tools that we use to get to where we need to go on the keyboard. And that we need to have those tools sharp so that it's easy to express ourselves. Matter of fact, right now I'm completing a course called Studies for Advanced Piano Technique in an Approachable Manner. So there you go. I really believe in good technique. Another thing that's very important is to really know the compositional crafting of the piece, the harmonic journey. I feel that equally important is to decide on a purpose for a particular piece and to reach for that purpose, whatever piece we're playing. It could be just a sad mood, or it could be a happy mood, a dance, or in this case, the piece I want to play for you is the C-sharp minor Nocturne, Opus Posthumous by Chopin. Now, for me, it seems very important to know the backstory on Chopin's life at this point in his life when he wrote this piece. He wrote this piece when he was about 20 years old, and he gifted it to his sister. And it was a time in his life when he was leaving Warsaw, never to return. Of course, he didn't know that then, but he never did return. Now, Poland was his love. He loved his homeland, and he loved his family. And so the piece has an incredibly beautiful melody, and it's very sad melody. And about halfway through, for just 8 measures, he put in a little burst of hope and joy in this delightful mazurka. And it's only 8 measures, but it's a mazurka, of course, is a Polish dance, most of us know that. And then he slowly arpeggiates back to C-sharp minor melody, it's just such a beautiful, right back to the heartbreak melody. I like to think of that as a musical understanding between Chopin and his sister, that no matter what goes on around them, because Poland was in a great turmoil at the time, no matter what sadness is around, that hope and the remembrance of the homeland and the family will always stay close to their hearts, and nothing could ever take that joy away and that hope away. So yeah, that's how I see it. So you could take it, understand that backstory, and apply it to perhaps your own life, whatever comes your way in life. To me it seems like a little lesson on life.